Hi. How are you today?
Fine.
Now, today I have prepared for you a surprise. Okay? A musical instrument with a straw. Okay, you see the straw?
Yes.
Okay, I have prepared a musical instrument with a straw. Okay? Now, we're gonna blow into this straw. Can we try?
Yes, like.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Okay, you try. Is it nice? Yeah. You wanna try? Yeah. Okay, like this. Ana Maria, you wanna try?
I want to try this.
Okay, now the best part of it. The best part of it. The best part of it. Now, sit down. Later on in the video, I'm going to show you how to make it. This one, okay?
Okay.
Is it nice? Okay? Now the better part. Ana Maria, sit down. The better part. Okay. Leave that one. Leave that one. Look at him. Look at him. The better part. You want to try? Try it again. Try, Noren. Again. Noren, Ana Maria. Noren, yalla. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make this musical straw. Okay? Okay. Now it has a special design. Can you zoom it?
Yes.
You see here? Okay. Now you get a large diameter straw. You flatten at one end. You flatten the straw. You flatten like this, around 4-5 centimeters. You see?
Yes.
Now, later on, you cut with the straw. What is it? Like this. Now we have the special design. We flatten again. You see? Okay. Now how it works? When you blow through this side, these two vibrate, and the air goes to this side and comes back. The vibrations go here and come back, and the air particles interact with the air outside. Because we blow with high velocity, that's why we have sound. Okay?
Okay.
Now, the more you cut, the more the sound changes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Bye.